position of President Electoral Commission and the returning officer?
Well, the truth of the matter is that anybody who listened to the judgment today, whether you are a lawyer, a trained legal mind, or just a layman on the streets, it is very clear that the issues were clearly identified and addressed by the court in its judgment. So both on the technical level and on the merits, it is our humble view that this court has done justice to the petition that was submitted, the issues that were formulated, and the ultimate decision by the Court of Appeal is consistent with our law in Nigeria today as we know it. On the rec, if you listen to the judgment, the court was very emphatic. The competent official with the power to announce the result of an election is a returning officer. So when a rec decides to go far beyond his authority and to go and make an announcement, what the rec did was not a declaration. You make a declaration when you have the legal authority and power to make the declaration. What he did was an announcement because ab initio, a priori, from the outset, he had no legal authority, he had no legal power to declare anybody the winner of that election, even before the process of collation was completed. In fact, the court said when he did that, he was on his own. That's what the court said. Thank you.
My name is Senator Surajudeen Ajibola Bashiru. I'm the National Secretary of the APC. I represented my party APC at the judgment of the Court of Appeal today. Yes, quite unfortunate, the judgment is not favorable to our party, but just as you know, this is our intermediate court. We have the right to appeal to the Supreme Court. We're going to study the judgment, and upon study of the judgment, we are going to get advice from our lawyers and see what our next possible line of action we want to take about the judgment.
Your name once again?
My name is Surajudeen Ajibola Bashiru, Senator Surajudeen Ajibola Bashiru, National Secretary of the APC.
Thank you. Was against them now, and you are you know the worst part of the field. Next time they can slap you. I'm telling you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.